PaidToday is an all-in-one cloud-based app that combines business essentials into a fully connected, easy-to-use, and fast-to-set-up platform right out of the box. With a booming business, you don't have time to waste trying to use a bunch of single-use tools that aren't designed to work together. PaidToday at its core gives your business harmony by connecting your front-facing, client-side interactions with your back-end business administrative processes, all seamlessly. PaidToday combines client portal, full CRM, file exchange, project management, time tracking, invoicing, contracts, marketing, funnels and website hosting, online scheduling, and much more. PaidToday lets you add client portals to your newly created or existing websites and funnels. Client portals maintain your brand and are fully customizable so your clients only see what you want them to see. Every client can self-register free with their own login and only has access to their specific information. Client portal options and features include full cart checkout, course enrollment, products and services, secure payments, online booking, project and file sharing, and much more. PaidToday also includes an in-app marketplace for buying and selling digital assets and templates. Marketplace items you'll usually find are websites, funnels, projects, automations, and many other in-app use items. Purchased marketplace templates are automatically unlocked and ready to use. Are you a designer or creator? Start creating your own templates and share or monetize them on the marketplace. Almost everything you create in PaidToday can be shared on the marketplace for free or for profit. Save yourself money, time, and energy by covering all of your business needs with one platform that does it all. Whether it's website, client portal, CRM, file sharing, invoicing, or project management, PaidToday includes it all. For more information, check out the link below and learn about all the other ways PaidToday can support and help your business grow.